Hello. Today I want to tell you about a set of free tools that we use on my project. And these tools are great and they allow us to organize entire collaboration around the things that we do. And I'm pretty sure you will benefit from each of these tools. Our project is a software development. We do like coding and data analysis, though I think that these tools will be helpful for many different kinds of projects. And the first thing that you need to do is to organize proper communication in your team. And yeah, I will show you what we use for that and how we do that. So first thing is a messenger. So you need the messenger to communicate in. And today there are many different messengers that you can use. There are free, there are paid ones, but we use Telegram and we use it in some specific way. I will show you how we do that. And it's great. So we have a group. I would show you how you create a group here. Okay, we'll skip this thing. Okay, so it will be like okay, so I'll provide a group name here, and yeah, here is the group. I have created it. You can make a group private. Usually we want to make our projects private, so yeah, by default it's private, but you can also make it public, of course. And then what you can do is, again, go to settings and convert a group into group with topics here. Yeah, here's it. And okay, now if you click a group, you will see it like that. So there will be one topic general, and you can write something here. But also you can create new topics. For example, a topic for coding stuff. And it will be a separate, let's say, subgroup within your main group, which makes Telegram groups quite similar to what you can do in Slack. Of course, not all these Slack features are available here, but you can make calls if you want. But there is a better tool for calls in general, but yeah, still you can make calls. You can send stuff here, you can set files here and communicate within your project in like different contexts, which is super cool. So that's for communication. That's the first thing you need to do. Then, in order to communicate synchronously, for example, make calls, you need some schedule, some calendar, and you need some tool to make calls. There are also many tools for that. We use Google Calendar to schedule meetings, and it's super easy to do that. Like, you can just select a time, create an event, select the date and time to start, and you can make it repeat. For example, repeat every week on Tuesday, or you can even customize it, like do twice per week. Then you add guests by emails, and then you add Google Meet event here, and you save it. So you have this periodically in your calendar, and now you can just join a meeting with this button click, which is really easy. Okay. Yeah, so I just joined the call and talk to my team members. And in Google Meet, by the way, there is a great feature that we use during the call, which is this open picture-in-picture thing. So you can click it, and now this pop up with the video and controls will be available, and when you will switch to some other tool, you will see it, which is great when you do this on the call with the team and need to show something. Okay, so we'll leave the call. So here we have calendar, here we have Google Meet, and let's see what next. So next, you need a place to put your thoughts in and collaborate during calls or during your personal work or doing some activities on the project. And we use Miro for that. Miro is a great tool. It has a free plan. And on Miro, you can generally like add stickers, draw something, like add images easily. I have several videos on how you can smartly use Miro. and structure content here, optimize things that you put on Miro. So check it out if you want some hints on that. And yeah, it's very powerful. Among all the tools that we used, Miro is probably the best for that. And yeah, you can create three boards on Miro. And in one of my videos, I show you how you can use just 2 boards for your project, and it will be enough. Okay, what next? Oh yeah. So next, on Miro, you can put things that you usually put on whiteboard, like during discussions or when you want to present something. But when you want to save something for long term, like documentation of your project, then it's better not to use Miro for that, because Miro is hard to understand in a year. So you will have multiple frames like that. It's not clear how they're connected. Some pieces of information are not relevant. Some pieces are hard to understand. So in order to store information long term, we use Notion, and before that we used Google Docs, but then we switched to Notion because of several reasons. First of all, Notion also has free plan. Then in Notion you can structure documentation as a tree. So you can create a root page here, and then you can create sub pages like that, which is great. So in Notion you have lots of abilities to customize the text quite easily. So you can, for example, add code blocks like that. You could add collapsible blocks like that. Lists are super intuitive, so it's really powerful and easy to use compared to Google Docs. It has several advantages. So we put our documentation in Notion. Then, in order to store the code, we use GitHub, and if you are coding, you're likely familiar with GitHub. I won't speak about that a lot. But in GitHub, there are several cool features, and one of the things that we use is that we put our private libraries in GitHub, and we can do this with free plan, and we build them from private repositories, and we link different libraries to each other using GitHub. So if you're interested in how we do that, you can just ask a question in comment, and I will probably make a video about that. And yeah, last thing I wanted to show you is most recent development. So recently I have developed a Python component that we use to store database information in key value form. Basically, it's a Python library that allows you to convert Google Sheet document into a key value database, and it will be 100% free. You will have cloud storage for your information. It will be highly available, so you can check it out and check what advantages it has, what limitations it has. There are pieces of code that you can just start from. So it's one more free thing that we use to store information, configuration of our service, etc. And okay, so I have told you what we use on high level, just to review of the tools. I will definitely make more videos related to Miro, because there are tricks and hints that you can use to simplify. Probably will make more videos for other tools. And I ask you to like this video if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.